In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Zoho Vault Chrome extension. This handy tool is essential for managing and organizing your passwords safely and efficiently. So let's dive right into the installation process, which will only take about 5 minutes. First, open up your Google browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a little grid or waffle. Click on that icon and it will bring up a menu with different apps and services. From this menu, you'll want to select the Chrome Web Store. This is where you're going to find and install all sorts of useful extensions, including Zoho Vault. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar, usually located towards the upper left-hand side. Click on that and type in Zoho Vault. As you type, the store will automatically start suggesting extensions. You'll probably see Zoho Vault pop up in the list. Click on it to proceed. After selecting Zoho Vault, you'll be directed to a specific page within the web store. Here you can find information about the extension, including user reviews and a brief description of its features. But for now, let's focus on adding the extension to Chrome. Look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click it. Chrome will now ask for your confirmation. You'll see a dialog box that pops up detailing the permissions that Zoho Vault will require to function correctly. These usually involve permissions to read and change the data on the websites you visit. If you're okay with this, click on Add Extension. Once the installation is complete, it's a good idea to pin the extension for easy access. You can do this by clicking the puzzle piece icon near the upper right corner of Chrome. This is the extensions icon. Find Zoho Vault in the list and click on the little pin next to it. This will keep Zoho Vault visible on your Chrome toolbar. Now, let's make sure it's working. Click on the Zoho Vault icon that appears on your toolbar. This will prompt you to enter your master password. This password is the key to all the stored information in your vault, so make sure you enter it correctly. After you've entered your master password, click on Open Zoho Vault, and there you have it. You've successfully installed and set up the Zoho Vault Chrome extension. You can now manage your passwords seamlessly right from your browser. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tech tips.